Today, we will review the citation format that you will be using for your infographics assignment. As a reminder, we cite when we are using information that is not our own, or when we are using an image that we did not create. We cite that information to give credit to the author or the artist. If we didn't, it would be stealing or plagiarism. And to show that we did not make the information up, but that the information came from a source. When you are citing websites, you will need the following pieces of information: the name or the title of the website, the URL, and the date accessed. You will copy and paste the URL from the address bar on the website, and you will put the date that you looked at it in the date accessed field. This is very important. Titles should be complete. There should be no abbreviations. You should write out each word completely. The first letter in each word should be capitalized, with the exception of the small words, a, and, or, the. And your title should have a period at the end. This is extra important. Do not copy and paste or click and drag the title from the website. It copies funny, it often is in a different color, and it messes with the formatting of your citation page. You must type it out by hand. When you are citing images, you will need the following three pieces of information: the description or the title of the image, the title of the website, and the URL of the website. You will copy and paste the URL from the address bar on the website. Again, both your image titles and your website titles should be complete. There should be no abbreviations. You should write out each word completely. The first letter in each word should be capitalized, with the exception of the small words, and there should be a period at the end of the title. Do not copy and paste or click and drag the title from the website. It shows up in a funny color, and it really makes it hard to read your citation page. Type it out by hand. Sometimes an image may not have a title, and you will have to describe it. Your image description needs to be good enough so that if someone were to go to that website, they would be able to know exactly what image you used. Your descriptions should have the following. First, you want to tell us what it is. Is it a photograph? Is it a painting? Is it a sculpture? Then you will want to tell us who is the subject of the photograph. Or if it's a painting or a sculpture, what is it of? Then you will want to tell us what is happening in the image. If it's a photograph of a person, where are they and what are they doing? If it's a work of art, what colors are used? What is the painting? What is happening in the painting? For example, if we were to describe this image of Jacob Lawrence, we would want to say that it's a photograph, and then we would want to say that it is of Jacob Lawrence. Finally, we would want to say that he is in his studio holding a paintbrush. A good caption for this photograph, or a good description for this photograph, might be, photograph of Jacob Lawrence standing in his studio holding a paintbrush. Please notice that only the first word and the proper nouns of this description are capitalized. It still has a period at the end. Now, it's your turn to make citations for your infographics assignment.